200% skill, 300% madness. Keep in mind, the two-engine small show do know what they're doing. For your own safety, firewall crash. Stay behind the safety fence at all time. And remember, people, never to try any of the ecstasy here tonight at all.
Chief stunt driver Sasha Bosley, or from Spain, Mr. Mario Cortez. Here we go.
Cyn mani anweras ont the use and shape into dens nice lace goran.